Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends and get rewards on the KuCoin application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin app on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now just tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then scroll all the way down until you see the share to friends option. You can just tap on it and you have three different options to share. You can either send red packets or you can use the invite friends or share option. If you use the share option at the end, this will give you a QR code which you can save as an image or directly send them using various applications. You can also tap on the copy link option and then paste it and send it manually to whoever you wish to invite. If you tap on the invite friends option, you will now be shown your referral code as well as your referral link. You may also tap on the QR code icon to reveal your QR code, and whoever scans this will be invited to the KuCoin application, and they will also use your referral code automatically. You can also manually tap on the copy icon in order to copy your referral code or link. Tap on the invite now button and then send your invite. Once your invite has been accepted and the person completes their sign up and verification, you will get your reward deposited within your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite others onto the KuCoin application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.